Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you haven't done so already, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. So today, what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to set a pneumatic wastegate on an N55 turbo. Specifically, we're doing this on a pure Stage 2. Now, if you have a manual wastegate or a pneumatic wastegate like we have here today, this is a manual process. You're going to need a little pump. It looks just like this. This is a Mightyvac. We'll have a link in the description. Now, if you have an electronic wastegate, you have to do this through ISO, which is BMW software, so just keep that in mind as we're going forward. So up here we have our wastegate actuator, which has this little arm, and it's threaded on the end, and there are these two 10mm nuts. Now, the wastegate sits inside here, and it opens and closes. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we have this set properly so that we get proper boost, and that if gases need to escape, they can properly do so. Now, to set this pneumatic wastegate on our pure Stage 2 turbo, what we're going to need is a 10mm open-ended wrench. You're going to need a 10mm socket and also a vacuum pump. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the other end of our hose here, and we're going to securely place it on the wastegate actuator just like that. Now, to properly set our wastegate, what we need to do is we need to pump this up and make it so that the wastegate is completely closed when this hits 6 inches of mercury. Now, if you're not familiar with inches of mercury, it's going to be labeled IN.HG. Now, for this, BMW actually recommends 5.9 inches of mercury, where Pure recommends between 6 and 7, so we're just gonna pump it up to 6. So right there is 6 inches of mercury. So now what we can do is I'm just gonna put this down. It has a nice tight seal, so it's not leaking at all. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open these nuts up, and then I can hold this closed. I'll slide this nut forward. Then I'll slide this nut back. Don't have to move anything. And then what you can do is you can test it. You can try to see if it's completely closed. So right there, it is completely closed. I'm going to just let the air out, and as I do that, you'll see the wastegate open inside. So as you can see inside, the wastegate is open. And as we pump it up to about 6 inches of mercury, it should be completely closed, which it is. Then after you've done sufficient testing, very carefully tighten this up, just like that. And that's how you properly set up a pneumatic wastegate. Again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you're interested in pure turbos for your BMW, be sure to check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and check us out for more. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.